Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is DEKXDA. If you're new here, hello. It's so good to see you, and I hope that you decide to join. Hit that subscribe button because you get to become a member of the DEKXDA army. Like, who doesn't want to do that? A lot of people, but you know what? That's for now. Wait until like 5 years in the future. Everybody's gonna want to be a part of this army. Everyone's gonna want to join. So you might as well join now before, you know, I blow up. If you are returning DEKXDA, my little DEKXDA army, like my little recruits, then hi baby, how you doing? I missed you so much. It's been a long week and I'm so happy to have you here today. You're looking cute. Today I basically reviewed the Elsa eyeshadow palette. I promised last week that I was gonna review this one, and here I am. Today is a very special video because I reached 100 subscribers. I can't express how thankful I am. Like, you guys are amazing. You guys are fucking great. I love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's been 1 whole year since I decided to start filming and putting videos up online. So I hope you guys decide to keep on watching this video because you can learn how I did this makeup look, even though you probably don't really want to know because it's not that cute. But if you do want to know, then keep on watching. Before I start putting makeup on my face, I want to say big, huge thank you to my lovely subscribers who helped me get to 100 of you guys. 100 DEKXDAs. Like I said, you guys are the best goddamn army in the fucking world, the best people in the world. Subscribe to me. So, thank you for that. I really appreciate it. You guys don't know how much it really means to me that you guys continue to support me and watch my videos and comment and like and spam me because I love it. I appreciate it, and I swear, like, once I get to where I want to be, I'm taking y'all with me. Let's jump right into the makeup. I'm gonna be going in with this bad boy, Miss Elsa's palette from Colourpop. I'm excited for this one, y'all. I really don't know what to do, and I'm a little overwhelmed because, like, I want to use all of these shades, but I don't know if I have the skill. Put some concealer all over my eyelid to make sure that pigment sticks. So first things first, I'm gonna go in with this shade here called Fire. I'm just gonna buff that into the center of my lid and so forth to really give it a nice transition shade. Recently, my lovely people here on YouTube got me to 100, I believe it's 121 subscribers at this very moment. Having you guys there to support me and like motivate me and like just keep me humbled and all that shit, like, it really reminds me every day what I'm doing this for. So a year ago, I posted my first ever tutorial, and it was like a Starry Night themed eyeshadow look that I did, and I feel like it just grown so much since that moment to now. This is when shit gets scary because I'm gonna go in with a darker color. I'm gonna take this shade Awakened, apply that to the corners of my eye. So I'm gonna try to do like a halo cut crease or a halo eye or whatever they're called. And guys, I'm scared because I don't do this. I don't do this normally. I don't think I've ever done a successful halo eye, so this is some risky business right here. So I'm just gonna blend that out a little bit more. I'm just going in with the shade. They really needed to use a different font for this. I think it's, I want to say it's a Spindrift. I don't know. It's just like maroonish shade over here. Y'all, Colourpop, I love you. I love you a lot. I love you a lot, but this collection's cute and I fuck with it 100%. But the fonts, honey, I just couldn't read what they said because I don't read cursive. I basically just put those, the Fire, Awakens, and Spindrift. I don't know what the fuck that word is. I basically just put them and did like a thing with my eyes. I don't know. So now I'm gonna like do a halo eye. And I've never done this before, so I'm nervous. Hopefully, I don't fuck up. It's got on my lashes. Damn, my lashes are long. I'm like genuinely scared that I'm gonna fuck this look up. Don't you cry, little girl. All alone in that well. So I have a video that I filmed. And I basically did my makeup and I talked about a topic that might get me yelled at by my mom. It's definitely a little bit graphic, a little bit vulgar, it's a little bit PG, but I want to post it. Like, I want to be able to show my true colors, and that is very gross. I'm gonna do some shit and it's gonna look good. I just used that shade Gale. I don't know who the fuck Gale is, but Gale, put her on my lid. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Northern Lights. Put that also on my lid. That's a really pretty shade. I'm excited for this. Oh. This is so cute. I knew I was making a good investment when I invested in these motherfucking palettes. And then I'm gonna take the shade Joe Crystals. I'm just kidding, it says Ice Crystals, but literally, like, I can't read that font. It looks like it says Joe Crystals. It's like a nice, really metallic silver shade. And I'm gonna just put that dead smack in the center of my goddamn lid. Wow, oh, I'm wet. I'm wet. I'm moist as fuck. Wow. Look at that. It looks like I just stabbed myself in the eye with a fucking quarter. Wow. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna curse as much in my videos because one day I would like to be sponsored. And I feel like I'm just gonna fuck myself up by like cursing a lot. I'm going in with my James Chorley's palette. I know I said I'm only gonna use one palette, but I only need one shade from this palette, okay? I only need one shade. And that's this white one here. I think it's called MILF. I went ahead and I did majority of my face makeup off of camera. Now I'm just gonna do the final touches with you guys. Okay, I'm using these lashes from the Full Glam Shop. Check them out, they're super cute. I'm gonna take the shade Water, and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line. Now going in with a smaller brush, I'm going to take that shade Awakened. And now I'll go in with highlighter. For highlighter today, I'm going to go in with my fave, and it's the Morphe X Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise palette. And just use the shade Baby Girl. With a small pointy brush, this is the Jaclyn Hill JH39 brush, and put that in my inner corner. I'm gonna grab the Elsa palette again, and I'm gonna take the shade Cuddle Close. I'm gonna go back in with that Hurry shade, and I'm just gonna pat that on my highlight. I'm gonna take this Too Faced Sugar Cookie Mini Melted Matte Lipstick. I'm just gonna put that on my lips. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna go in with this NYX white liner and just draw some snowflakes on my face. This is the final look right here. This is a really pretty palette, so my final review on the Frozen 2 collection is that it is very, very affordable. Definitely worth the hype. If you haven't tried out one of these palettes for yourself, I definitely recommend you to, because they're really good. I love them. I like it. I am proud with how this look came out. This is one of many looks that are to come this winter, so make sure you guys subscribe. Please, 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 please subscribe to me and hit that bell notification button so that you can be notified the next time I upload, which will hopefully be next week. Make sure you guys follow me on my social media sites. I have a Facebook, I have Instagrams, I have Twitter, I have a Snapchat. You can add me everywhere. Thank you guys so much for 121 subscribers. That is so amazing to me. Like, thank you. And the fact that I reached 100 subscribers on the same exact day that I made my first video on the year before. You guys never fail to surprise me and make me feel great. So I love you, and I hope I do the same. I hope that my videos make you smile or laugh or cringe or educate you with makeup or whatever. I hope it inspires you or something. You guys truly inspire me. Every kind and sweet message you guys make really pushes and motivates me to keep going and keep doing what I'm doing and keep making these really shitty videos. Thank you for joining the DEKXDA army. If you are a member, hello, I love you. That's it for today's video. Have a great week and go out there and be the change that you want to see in the world so that we can better it, so we can make it a better place, so we can love each other and do great things. I'll see you guys next time. Okay, bye. I want to give a big, huge, ginormous shout out to the lady Borgia. I'm sorry if I fucking butchered that pronunciation. I failed English twice, so obviously I'm not good at it. Her favorite Frozen character is Olaf and also Elsa. She said that she created an Elsa look for Halloween. Girl, yes, kill it. Love you. Thank you for your support, boo. A big shout out to Just a Sweet Girl, because she also let me know that Olaf is her favorite character. Shout out to Alexis Alvarez, because boo, I love you. You love me? I love you. If you guys want to be featured in my videos, if you want me to give you a shout out in my videos, all you have to do is answer the question of the day. And the question of the day is, who is your favorite Disney character? I want to know.